What's up you guys, welcome to XJ6 channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the AC compressor on your X300. So what's going on with my sister's Jag is that the AC fuse keeps blowing every time we turn the AC on. So to figure out if it's an AC compressor problem or if it's a wiring issue, all you have to do is unplug the AC compressor, start the car, and check to see if the fuse blows. Sorry guys, that's funny, but I gotta keep it professional. So if it does blow, then that lets you know that it's a wiring issue, and I'm sorry to tell you guys, I can't help you with that. But if it doesn't blow, then that's a good indicator that it's a faulty coil and the AC compressor needs to be replaced. But before you start working on the AC system and removing parts, you have to take it to a shop so they can recover and evacuate the refrigerant. It's illegal to vent out the refrigerant into the atmosphere. So once you're done with all that, then you can continue watching this how-to video. So let's get started. Remove the AC pressure lines from the compressor using an 8mm socket, extension, and ratchet. Replace the O-rings on the lines with new ones. Disconnect the AC compressor coil harness. Raise the front of the Jag with a floor jack and lower it onto jack stands for support. Place a 2x4 on the floor jack to protect the frame. Remove the dry belt by loosening the 10mm bolt on the idle pulley. You don't have to completely remove it. Then loosen the belt tension by turning this 1/4 square head anti-clockwise using a 1/4 extension and a 1/4 wrench. Count the number of turns so you'll be able to retighten the belt the same tension. 10 turns should be enough. Remove the 4 mounting AC compressor bracket bolts. I forgot the socket size, so if you guys could remind me in the comment section, that would be great. When purchasing a new compressor, make sure to ask if they come preloaded with oil. If they don't, then you'll have to pour the correct amount. The system calls for 7 ounces of PEG 46. You can also drain the old compressor and measure the oil that comes out and pour the same amount into the new AC compressor. Real quick you guys, while we're here, you might want to consider replacing the trinary switch while there's no freon in the system. They're known to go bad. If the AC compressor clutch is not spinning when the AC is on, tap this switch a few times with a screwdriver. If the AC clutch starts spinning, that's a sign of a faulty switch. It's also a good time to check the condition of the idle pulley by spinning it. If the pulley keeps spinning or spins more than a few rotations, there's an issue with the bearing. Check the condition of the old belt. If there's any cracks, replace it. I recently replaced the belts. And put everything back together. Alright you guys, so the last thing that's left to do is to recharge the AC system. I decided to recharge the system myself, but I highly recommend you guys to take it to a shop unless you know how to properly do it yourself. By the way, I'll be leaving an oil and refrigerant capacity chart in the video description, so check that out. And if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Like